Hello, my YouTube family, and welcome to another mesmerizing video of mine. I hope and pray each one of you are well, safe, and protected. This video of mine will emphasize majorly on negativity and complaining. As a matter of fact, we individuals, somewhere down the line, we tend to complain about about ourselves, about complain on life, like, for example, oh, my I have such problems. I have no no no, my dear ones. Complaining and not being comfortable with our life's chapters is not a good idea. uh, Friends and family, our life is a is a chapter series of comfort, pain, happiness, bliss, and a little pain as well. Yeah. However, uh, as and when we meet some of our family members, acquaintances, our friends, or our people who are very close to us, even though we should not try to speak of our pain to anyone, as a matter of fact, as in our day-to-day lives. For example, if we meet anybody, our acquaintance or anybody, as on that note, if somebody asks us how are we should connect on a very, very, very pleasant note. Yes. For example, hi, how are you? How was your day? Oh, I am very well. I am doing great. Yes. So, this is how we need to, or we should, channelize our minds. People, I will put it across to say as such that the more we speak on happiness, the more we speak on positivity, the more we speak on pleasant chapters of our life, the more radiate will our life endorse as well. So our motive should be speak positively, speak nothing about the painful chapters of our life, or as a matter of fact, the painful pages of our journey. Yeah. Speak about happiness, speak about fullness in life, speak about beautiful things in life, and believe you me, family, it will process as well. The more you speak positively, much will the universe radiate into your life. It will radiate immense positivity, it will radiate immense happiness promptly to your life. Yes? So, believe you me, people, friends, family, let's begin on our journey of happiness. Yes. And let's put aside, or put backwards, the pain we may face, which we should keep in our deepest down. Yes. And yes, one more protocol I have to, or one more aspect I would put across to say, I want to before my family is, people, there is no there is no power, there is no power to speak with random people in our lives, about our life, about our emotions. However, there is one major person who you can connect with, is our Almighty Creator. Yes, yes, my dear friends, my family. Uh, Believe you me, the power that you will feel connecting with your in your prayers, with the Almighty Creator, to to keeping in mind anything you want to share with, which you may want to share with a friend of yours, but no, believe you me, try this page as well. Try to connect with in your prayers. I'm sure each one of you must be sparing 5 to 10 minutes of your daily routine to your prayers. Yes? So do try it out. Do connect in your prayer, your pain, your mindset, how you're feeling, how you are bringing out yourself. People, one major thing I want to share with you is what you give power to shows back the power on you. For example, if, for example, a person is trying to, put across a lot of discomfort to you, a lot of pain to you, yes, it is up to us on humanity grounds how we respond to that. Yes, we may keep quiet, be silent. Yes, that is the beauty of the page. Yeah, your silence will heal you first. Yeah, so be quiet, be silent, allow that person to come out with whatever venom may be in that person's mind or in system. Yeah, once that person is done with his or her mind, whether it may be ugly, whether it may be whichever way that person is trying to speak with you, do not allow to dissolve that in you. Don't listen. As a matter of fact, if you are face to face, well, yes, I cannot say that it's not possible to not be connected to that. Allow yourself to not feel connected, not be connected in your mind. Maybe you may be able to, maybe you may be listening to what the person is saying, but don't allow yourself to push it in your system. No, allow yourself to be distant from that situation. It is in our hands, my dear friends and family, to protect our peace. Yes, so we have to, for the sake of our mental stability. Yes, for the sake of that, we have to keep in mind how we connect when a person is being quite ugly or quite painful to us, or quite disturbing to us. Yes, how we should connect with that person. Yeah, so yes, so this is my concern for this today. And well, yes, how we reciprocate our mind with another, how we dissolve it among ourselves, what we take, what we do not take. Yes, it is merely in our, it is up to us. Yes or no? So, people, please be happy. This is one life which we have got, one blessed life. Yes, it is a precious, blessed life. We will, well, yes, I will not say that we may not be blessed again with the life. However, this present moment is what has power. Yeah, this moment which I am connecting with you. So allow this moment to be in your hands. Allow this moment to be happy, to feel on top of the world. Yes or no? So yes, people. So this is a concern, and my major primarily connect with you today is, please be happy. Please breathe. Please take a deep breath. Please, flush out all the situations which have come from the outside door to make you feel uncomfortable. Yes, and yeah, and enjoy your day, enjoy life, enjoy your company, your children, your family, your brothers, sisters, your parents. Enjoy each one of them. And yes, be blessed. And that's all for today. Have a lovely day and be beautifully blessed always. Thank you.